Jay Leshark here with your Phuket Weekly Weather Update live! Well, I'm live anyway, from this lake. Look, it's a lovely lake. Why am I here? Well, I'm dog walking with dogs, which are down here. Anyway, you don't worry about that. What you want to know is what the weather's going to be like for the rest of the week from, what is it, June 21 to June 28. Well, hey dogs, go get that. Well, just wait. I'll finish doing the dog walk and the throwing the sticks and stuff. I'll go back and do the weather. Okay, good. Right, see you soon. Bye. Here's the other thing you see on dog walks. You see cows. Hello, cow. You're right behind my car, cow. I don't want to run you over. You need to move, please. Thanks, cow. Right, let's go do the weather. Move on, cow. Get it? Move on. Okay. Hello! Back from the old dog plod. That was fun, wasn't it? Right, now, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm recording this on Saturday afternoon because it was my son's birthday yesterday. Happy birthday, Ashton. That's right. So we've been busy this morning doing stuff. And then tomorrow, when I normally do the weather on Sunday morning, I've got to go to a horse show competition because I'm emceeing at one of those things again. And then I've got stuff to do with Ashton as well tomorrow because it's a whole birthday weekend. Got to keep him happy. He's 12, you know, bless him. Anyway, so here we are. We're on the Windy. Now, why are we on Windy? Because Windy shows us where the wind's coming from and how strong the wind will be. We go through this each and every week, but I'll do it just in case you have never watched one of our videos, which is pretty much likely. They don't get very good views, and when you share the love, they might get more views. Is begging a good idea? I think it is. Anyway, right, windy. Purple, as you can see here, means no wind. Blue or light blue or this teal colour means very little breeze. If you see light green or green, more wind. If you see yellow, more wind. If you see orange, it's beans time. And if you see this guy, that's right. Hey, Ron Burgundy. Then it's blowing its off. Now, we don't see Ron Burgundy. In fact, I've never seen Ron Burgundy, even during the worst times here in Phuket. So don't worry, you won't see any Ron Burgundy. So, as you can see, Phuket is right here, smack bang in the middle. Then you've got Phang Nga Bay, which is here, Phi Phi, which is down here. And then there's obviously Coral Island, there's Mai Tom, which is here, there's Kite Islands, which are here, which I went to, actually, last week. I took a group out snorkeling to Kite Islands. It was very much fun, and I found Nemo. In fact, there's the video. Look, I gave it to Miguel, and he's put it up there. Good, isn't it? Yeah, I like a Nemo. Right, so, Sunday morning, as you can see, there's very light breeze Sunday morning. That's pretty much been the pattern for the last few days. Very, very light breeze, stinking hot. There are a few, hold on 2 seconds. Dogs, you should be tired. Let me give you this, give me this. There you go, drop, 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 drop. This is what they're arguing about at the moment. Look at that. That's a proper dog toy, that is. Anyway, there you go. So, it's been a pattern the last couple of days where it has been very, very stinking hot. It's about 32 degrees, but it does feel like it's about 40, 45. Oh, there's a squirrel in my tree. Now, I'm not going to get a picture of that, am I? Because by the time I get the camera out there, it's going to go. But seriously, there's a squirrel in my tree. That's very cool. I've not seen that before. I want to try to get a picture of it now. Hold on. If I move that camera... Oh, it's gone now. Oh, anyway, squirrel. It's like a dog. Squirrel! It's gone now. Anyway, where was I? Good luck editing that, Miguel. Squirrel in my garden, squirrel in the tree, squirrel in my garden. What were we talking about? Sunday morning, Maroon 5? Oh, I don't know where we're talking about. Anyway, as you can see, Sunday's looking great. Hardly any breeze. It's very hot out there at the moment. Please make sure you wear reef safe sun cream. There is a few drops of sunshine falling from the sky for the last few days, and that is going to happen for the rest of the week, but they're generally in the late afternoon or evening, so it's not too bad. In fact, my garden's looking very lush at the moment because there is some nice drops of sunshine, which is helping the garden pop, which is probably why the squirrel was there. Trust me, there was a squirrel there. I'm not making it up. A real squirrel. Right, so let's look at that Sunday morning. That's Sunday afternoon. It's looking good. So Sunday looks a great day to go out. Monday the 22nd, a little bit more breeze coming in, and it's coming from the west. So just to warn you, the west coast of Phuket this time of year, there's a lot of rip currents and a lot of rip tides. Not Rick Roll. I really shouldn't make that joke. But if you do see a red flag, please don't go swimming. No matter how, I saw a whole post on Facebook with some guys, and I grew up in Australia and I know how to swim in rip currents and rip tides. But it doesn't matter if you know how to do it. If you go out there, then other people will follow, which then makes the lifeguards then have to go and get them. So please don't do it. Don't try to be all macho. I can swim in rip currents and rip tides. It doesn't matter if you cannot. Just respect the locals and respect the red flags, please. That's all we ask. Go and swim in your swimming pool. Come out on a tour with us, 5-Star Marine, and we can take you all around here and you can swim your life away. I don't mean it like that. I don't mean swim your life away, but you can swim to your heart's content. That's the words I was looking for. So anyway, Monday's looking good. Not much breeze anyway, so Phang Nga is a really good place to go. PP's not too bad. Now, just to remind you that PP Maya Bay is closing on the 1st of August. So you've only got a month and a week or so to go and see Maya Bay if you want to see Maya Bay before it closes. The squirrel's back, by the way. He is. He's eating nuts now. Right, I'm going to stop this and I'm going to try to move the camera so you can see it. Hold on. Why? Look. Can you see it? He's camouflaged. Where is he? He's there, look, there. He's eating nuts.
These nuts? Got him!
See? I told you there was a squirrel in my garden. See? You didn't believe me? You do now. Squirrel in my garden, eating nuts. Because that's what squirrels do. Good, isn't it? Right, back to the weather. See, I wasn't lying, though, was I? He's a cutie. Hello, squirrel. Let's call him George. George the squirrel. Right, that's too long on that. Hey, told you there was a squirrel. I'm fascinated by him now. Hello, George. Never had a squirrel in the garden before. That's very cool. Right, anyway, so Monday is, we're talking about red flags. Don't go through in the red flags. Monday looks good. Yeah, Phang Nga Bay's popping at the moment. Right, so yeah, Monday afternoon looks good. Tuesday the 23rd. Oh, a little bit more breeze coming in, so that will be a bit bouncy over there on the west coast. Luckily, we're not on the west coast. We're on the east coast. But as you can see, there's still a bit of breeze, so it might be a bit bumpy going down to PP. Phang Nga Bay isn't too bad. Even if there is a bit of a breeze, it's quite well sheltered, because they've got Phang Nga province there, you've got Krabi here, and then you obviously got Phuket here, so it does protect it quite well. And even if it does get a bit bouncy or a bit rainy, there's always places in Phang Nga you can go and hide. There's Mangrove Cave, where I did a great video getting all muddy. You can go to Pan Inn, have a lovely seafood lunch. You go to Kokadu, which is very nice, where the mother of the bride was filmed. Brooke Shields, she was a lovely person. Bless her. Anyway, so Tuesday afternoon, it does look, so once again, Tuesday does look a bit bouncy, so I wouldn't recommend going down to PP on Tuesday. Wednesday, the 24th, looks good. A little bit of green, but that's on the west coast, don't worry about that. Nice for Phang Nga Bay. As you see, Phang Nga Bay is looking very well sheltered. Wednesday afternoon, a bit more windy. So Tuesday and Wednesday look the windy days. Thursday, still, so Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and Thursday. Is that right? No, I said Tuesday. No, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday look a little bit windy. But nothing, I know it drops off, look, Thursday afternoon completely drops off, so that's lovely. And when I say windy, it's not hugely windy, it just might be a bit bouncy, because winds actually create waves. If you didn't know that, you do now. Hold on, I need a drink. Not coffee today, but something else. Can't advertise this. I'd like a Dr. Pepper, but my Dr. Pepper supplier in Japan has run out of my new favourite diet, Dr. Pepper. So that was something else, so I can't talk about that. Right, Friday looks great. So Friday the 26th looks fantastic. Oh, hello, Trouble. And then Friday afternoon, that looks good too. So Friday is looking good. Do you want to come up and say hello properly? You can. Oh, you kisses. Oh, kisses. But you stinky, because you eat cat poo and you've got stinky breath, haven't you? Right, get down. I've got to finish the weather because it's taking forever. Thanks, mate. Let's look at Saturday the 27th. Oh, Saturday looks amazing. So that, and actually, some international schools have already broken up. The rest of them will break up on Friday the 26th. So if you're looking for a little weekend vacation and living in Phuket, why not come out with us on Saturday? Saturday afternoon looks great, or even Sunday looks good too. In fact, I'm having a curry night next Sunday. That'll be fun, won't it? You're not invited, sadly, but if you do like curry, then maybe ask for an invite. Maybe I will invite you. Anyway, there you go. So, the week looks very good wind-wise. There is a bit of wind on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but really nothing to worry about. Now, let's go to our acute weather. So, this is acute weather. This is your bog standard weather forecast. Tells what the temperature is. Gives you a little bit rather cloudy with a thunderstorm. It will say thunderstorm quite a lot. It'll also say 50%, yeah, 55%, or 25% on Tuesday, which is nice. That's the percentage of rain. Now, when it says 25%, that doesn't mean it's going to rain for 25% of the time across the whole of Phuket. Dogs, don't start. Thank you. It does mean that there's a 25% chance that it will rain somewhere in Phuket. So, for example, last week, there was quite a lot of rain in the Katu and the Gokgel area, so there was some flash flooding. The rest of Phuket was dry as a bone. But everyone put pictures up saying, oh, it's flooded in Phuket, it's flooded in Phuket. It wasn't flooding in Phuket. It flooded for about 30 minutes and then it washed away. That's because the drainage system in Phuket is literally... Better bleep that bit out, Miguel. So that's what the percentage of rain means. And like I said, it doesn't mean it's going to rain across the whole of Phuket. In fact, I've been driving down the road. It's raining on one side of the road and not raining on the other. That's the craziness of Phuket. But it all looks good for next week. A couple of showers in the morning and a couple of showers in the afternoon. But this is general 50% chance of rain. Look, 61% chance of rain. It's general weather for this time of year. My advice to you is to go and check out our daily weather updates, because that tells you what the weather's doing exactly on that day and the predicted weather for the next couple of days. And that's the best way to stay ahead of the weather. We can't tell you what the weather's going to be like in 2 weeks, 3 weeks' time. It's impossible. It changes so quickly. There's different depressions come in. Depressions like weather depressions. There's low pressure systems. There's high pressure systems. And also, we're in an extreme El Nino year as well. And that's going to have some effects soon. All right? So check out our daily weather. Sometimes it's me. Sometimes it's Guide Sun. Sometimes it's beautiful Sunwa. And sometimes it's gorgeous Sean. But they're on all our social channels, so get them out. And finally, we can look at the TMD weather radar, which is pointless because this is live right now as I look at this on a Saturday afternoon, so there's no point worrying about it. But we have this on during the daytime in the office. And if we do see some rain coming in, we see it's going to come into Phang Nga or down across wherever our boats are, we send a message to the captains and the guide and say, watch out, rain coming, change your course. And that's a great thing about a private tour, is we can change our course. You don't have to follow the crowds. That's right. It's your trip wherever you want to go. Within reason, of course. We can't... Some people have said, can you take us all the way to Samugi? And that's a really long trip. We can't do that. No, we can't. Right, so there you go. That's your weekly weather update with me, Jay Leshark, in my bedroom with Georgia Squirrel and the dogs. It's been a fun one, hasn't it? If you've got any questions about the weather, please comment below. Please share the love. And like I said, just check out our daily. We're on Instagram, we're on the TikTokies, the YouTube shorts, and the Facebook. Oh, you come up... Oh, now you've hit the tripod. Now you've hit the tripod. Say sorry for hitting the tripod. Sorry for hitting the tripod. I didn't mean it, okay? Good. Right. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. And we'll see you out in the water. Thanks. Bye. Back from the dog water. Blah, 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 blah. Hello. Back from the old dog plog. This is Sunday as we look at this. Sunday morning. I've already done the Phuket bit, haven't I? Look at that. No. Honestly, why can't I just have a normal production house?
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
Right, I'm going to stop it and I'll go from... God, this screen's disgusting as well.
I can feel my leg.